and welcome. As you most probably noticed, I'm wearing a different turning smock. Very kindly sent to me by my good friend Brendan Stemp, all the way from Australia, from Woodturning, his YouTube channel and his website. Brendan, I can't thank you enough. It's a lightweight short sleeve turning smock and also a t-shirt with Woodturning Fanatic on it. Brilliant. I can't thank you enough, honestly, Brendan. For this sort of weather, this is ideal, and it'll be used a lot, hopefully, if the weather stays as good as it is. I'll put a link to Brendan's YouTube channel and his website down below. He's a very experienced professional turner in Australia, and a lot of his videos are full of really good information, methods, techniques, little hints and tips, etc. So go across and learn a lot from a master. Thank you, Brendan, I do appreciate it. A couple of weeks ago I posted a video of me making a goblet with captive rings for the Makers Central charity draw. Well, it fell on the floor and it broke. The goblet gremlins have struck again. Not a total loss, I'll do something with that, but definitely not good enough to go into the charity draw. So today I'll be turning another one out of this piece of, it's either sapele or moranti, some form of hardwood similar to that. And not only will I be doing two captive rings, I'll also be doing a bit of off-center turning as well to give it a bit of extra character. And that's what today's video is going to be about. So without further ado, let's go and turn this captive ringed eccentric goblet. Well, here's the goblet finished finally, the Mark II version. A couple of eccentric turnings there at the top of the stem, a couple of captive rings, stands about 8 inches tall. One thing to mention is that I normally would have finished as much of the rings as possible before detaching them, but I forgot. I think my age is catching up with me. It's not a great problem, it just takes a bit longer to get things sorted out. And this will be one of the many prizes in the charity prize draw at Maker Central at the NEC in Birmingham in the UK in a couple of weeks' time, the 5th and 6th of May. Thank you very much indeed for watching. I look forward to seeing many of you there in a couple of weeks. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Cheers now.